Welcome to
That's
another
cool.
episode of
That's
Fino CHamoru.
just today?
Yeah, just now.
Oh, that's cool.
Auntie Chailang, I wanted to ask
Getting
you
so
about
old.
the
79
Chamorro word
is a killer.
Adahi.
Ah,
Because we say that a lot, Adahi.
oh, ano?
Means to watch out, right? Or be
Ang
careful.
gandilansi, ang
Right.
gan.
So I hear it a lot with different things like Adahi, patsotmu, watch your mouth.
Right, ang gan.
How would I say watch out because it's hot? Adahi sa might be.
Lai, ang gandilansi, adahi sa may pizza sempino, kimason matong sa opakaw sa Amerikano, sa Fino CHamoru, sa sila.
All right, how about if I want to say watch out because it stings?
Stinks?
Adahi sa mutong.
Stinks
Not
or
stinks.
stinks?
Oh, you can say Adahi sa mutong. It stinks. Watch out, it stinks.
Ang ganun.
How about if there's bees? Watch out because it stings.
Oo, estahagot.
Adahi sa
Adahi sa mandadaw, siyempre maakaw. Sa
Mandadaw.
popong labios, mandadaw.
mandadaw.
Yeah, and we use daddaw either way. For the bees and Tagalogo. Ow, ow, ow.
Oh,
Say,
but you
aday sa daddaw ino Tagalogo sa pinaka o.
oh, daddaw is like to
Daddaw is a,
bite.
yeah, like.
Oh, how about for mosquitoes too? I
for
could say.
mosquito. I don't think we said daddaw mosquito.
What if I want to just say watch out because there's mosquitoes?
Adahi sa ungan, adahi sa nyamu mampus no, but not daddaw.
Adahi niyamu.
Adahi nyamu, we just say
Adahi nyamu.
just watch for the the not
How about
nyamu.
abeya? You didn't use that word. Why don't you use
Abea no abea look is the same with the we don't have like okka. Ungan no we use sempinaka o stig. We don't have really,
Abea.
Abea ne.
Okay, adahi sa
the
daddaw.
bees, yes.
Well, you can say makawi abeya.
Ade no ninaka ni abea sa puti.
Yeah.
How about watch out? It's sharp.
Oh, adahi sa mampus kaloctus.
Caloctus.
Sharp kaloctus, yes.
Mampus caloctus.
Yeah,
It's very
adahi sa
sharp.
kaloctus. Ade sa
How about watch out? There's a shark.
adahi sa iaish. Guafa na na siya, Fino CHamoru.
Halu.
Halu. Adahi sa
Adahi sa ninaka ni aluu. That aluu ba ito inaka. We say that
Oh.
for the shark.
You wouldn't say
Adahi.
dadaw.
Dadaw. Because
adahi
they're
sa
not.
inaka
Adahi sa inaka.
uninaka.
Ni
It will bite you.
Inaka
Uninaka
because-
ihalu.
Because it's one.
Yes.
You're talking about one, so inaka.
Uninaka
Singular.
halu. Ihalu. Adahi
Ialu.
sa uninaka
Naka,
halu.
ni alu.
Ni.
Ni inay.
Uninaka
Naka, ni.
halu.
Oh, alu.
Ni halu. Okay. How about back to body parts. So adai patsok, watch your mouth.
Ugali,
How
yes.
about watch your head?
Aday ilumo ade.
Adai
Sige, flow
numu.
ka.
Ilumo. Yeah.
Adai numu. How about watch your foot?
Aday ade
Watch your
mo.
step.
O aday pinikot mo. Pinikot mo.
Aday.
That means you're, yeah, your
your
step.
Your step.
How about
Your mouth may
watch your
pop.
hand? Adahi ikanaimu.
Yeah. Aday kalulod mo. This is
Your back.
kalulod.
Watch your back.
Oh.
Okay, watch your back?
Hey, they know that's what is your. Aday tatem mo.
No, it's
Yeah, but
you don't
in the
get-
English expression, when somebody
I
says
know, we
"watch
don't
your
know.
back," they're
Yeah,
like
CHamoru, I don't
something.
think we have.
Someone's gonna get you.
I know what your
So is watch your mouth about something
No.
injuring your mouth or watching what you say?
What do you
Yes,
say?
what you're saying.
But I think that in Chamorro, if you're saying "watch your back," we just say "adaya."
Oh, adaya. Yeah, because watch your back
I've
is
heard that.
there. We
Adaya.
don't have that
Watch your
really in
back.
CHamoru. Sige,
No, but now what do
adaya.
you mean by
Yeah.
watch your back? Like, watch your back
Like,
will
I'm
mean like
gonna-
don't say have somebody
gonna
stab
get
you.
you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna get it. Adaya.
Adaya de.
I think it's, maybe you'd say adai malamanya.
Ne, mean. Malamonia is mean. Adaya sinang kita sa Malamonia. My older sister.
Alemania?
Very similar.
That's
no,
like
when
it means.
Does that mean
Malamonia,
Germany?
mean. Malamonia, mean.
No, yeah, you see, you're trying to have like watch your back is a slang term in English, right?
Adai
Mean
Alemania?
Malamanya
Is mean.
is mean. So Adahi malamanya, that means watch the meanness.
The
Meanness.
Do you say that in Chamorro though?
Enggak, like my
You just say
generation.
Aday Malamanya?
You
Wala
know-
sinang kita sa Malamonya.
Oh,
They use
Aday
it.
sinakita sa
Kita.
Malamanya.
My older sister named it with me. I love her because she makes us. Honestly, she's a good seamstress.
So,
Yeah, but
then you know the opposite of inafamaulit, like it's satpagu, or that's a better word than malamanya, and I can't think of it. The one where people are like not honest and
dakun, dakun.
What if the dog is mean? What if I say, Aday, we got
love
lago
sa
sa...
Malamonya.
Sa
Malamonya. We use that for
But
the
you
dog
know, for a person, if a person is a thief, the Chamorro will never say saki, and no, they'll say dakun, because dakun includes saki.
Dakun?
Dakun liar.
If they call you a dak, that's a huge insult. No, because it means you don't keep your word, and you're a thief. You're a scum.
So we could say,
Dakun.
Adahi no sa dakun.
Dakun na tonto.
Dakun na tonto.
Oh.
Tonto is very no general, either male, female, right? No distinguish.
What if I want to say, be careful because I'm needy? Aday sa...
Ada sa needy.
What's needy?
Needy. High maintenance.
Oh,
I
You
need a
don't
lot
tell
of
somebody
attention.
that. You don't tell somebody that.
What if I want to tell somebody that, oh, Aday sa...
Mampus
She's
needy,
needy.
ano?
Mampus
Unggan ba?
needy. ano.
No.
I think you have to maybe
Ada sa
You
mampus
know,
needy, no? Mampus no. Not ambiento, no?
no.
No.
You know
Matopan?
something.
No, needy is not matopan. See,
Matapang
some
is
words
like-
we don't really know.
Yeah, some expressions
We
don't fit.
don't
Okay.
Yeah.
It's good to be needy in Chamorro.
It's good to be needy in Chamorro.
Unggan ba siya?
Okay, how about, watch out, it's slippery.
Dahil sa
Palaksi.
palaxers, palaksi.
Not palaxers.
Palaksi, palaksi. No,
Palaksi?
Americanized na.
Adahi
Just
sa
to make
palaksi.
Oh, I ate some more.
in the school, just to make, the kids said, when you enter, first make the kids kind of relax, make them laugh. So I will use that, more than they know me. Again. And there's a palaxers.
Palaxers,
But
okay.
that's not my own
That's
makeup
not a
palaxi.
tomorrow. That's
I just my own vocabulary.
Okay, and then another place that I hear Adahi is when you're driving. Adahi italan.
Adahi italan sa palaksi, okay, because when it's raining, it's slippery.
Yeah.
O adahi sa bulan traffic esta.
Bulan
Bulan
traffic.
traffic. We use traffic. Adahi sa bulan traffic na disposo.
Or Adahi karetamu.
Ungan, adahi karitomo.
Well,
Or
why
kareramu.
Karitomo, yes. Adahi karitomo.
Kareramu is your way, your
driver
route.
disposo.
Karetamu is your car. So
Yeah.
Adahi karetamu is watch your car.
Car.
Yeah,
Or
that's
Adahi
how-
kareta. Watch
oh.
the cars.
Yeah,
Yeah,
what
you
are
have
the
to say,
cars?
you have to be careful how you use that karetamu. That means like adahi karetamu.
Your
That means
cars.
take care of your car.
Oh.
That's not what you want to say. You want to say adai kareta because that
Adai
means
kareta. Watch
those
the cars.
karetas out
Yeah.
there.
Oh, so I could also say Adahi as to like take care of, like
Ungan,
Adahi
take care.
asaguamo.
Yes,
Take care of
Adahi
your
asaguamo.
partner.
Yes.
Adahi.
Or
Adahi
adai
you.
auna maisa. Let's
Adahi-
take care of
adahi
yourself.
Adahi
Auna maisa.
Adaiho na maisa.
Take care of yourself.
Adayo na maisa. Oh.
What
so
about-
we could say Adahi hamzu.
Correct.
Adahi todus hamzu na
Ungan,
maisa.
that's plural.
Like, you
you
take-
don't use that. When you say aday tolus hamzu, you don't say namaisa because namaisa
know?
is kind of singular. Aday namaisa.
Oh.
Like if you say aday tolus hamzu, you don't include that.
Okay, so
Namaisa.
I could say, oh, thank you for listening. Take care, y'all. Adahi todus hamzu.
Amen, dinanchi.
Okay.
Stop. Nahum.
All right. Nisi, do you have a comment?
No, I don't remember.
Where you at?
I was just thinking of that. You mean, there's a Chamorro word for what you were looking for, but it's a loan word from Japanese, namaiki. See, that's mean, but it also means mean, but it also means like a very picky person and one that likes to habladora and actually mean, right? So, but
It depends really.
Rhodanese don't use that word, but Saipan uses it because of the
Namaiki?
Japanese influence.
Is it common to hear
Yes.
Namaiki these
My
days?
generation, but your generation, no.
The
no,
language
they
is
don't know.
changing.
It's more now
You know,
to
I
English.
think your generation will use it because, yes, you're in that. He's still in that generation. Don't make him a baby.
No, I don't know.
Baby.
He's 40. You're 40, right?
Right, we're gonna edit that out.
Why? Kenya's 40.
All right.
Okay.
Si Zeus Masi at Chailang.
Taga problema
Talo.
layo.
Si Zeus Masi. Zan Adahi. Todos Hamzu.